Let's go on an African safari.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, where you learn all the latest updates on AI. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
You can access the VEO3 either via the Gemini or Flow. I'm going to show you how to access it on both platforms. So we'll first of all use this Gemini. So click on Gemini. So I'm going to copy the prompt that I have right here of how I want the camera shot. And then click on video right here. So describe your video in details. This is where we input our prompt. I'm going to edit the prompt. I'm going to give you some time for the video to generate. This can take a while, so I'll be back once the video is done. Flow, so head over to Flow and click on Start a New Project. Once this has loaded, this is where we're going to paste our prompt, then generate the video.
With the Flow website, you get about 1,000 credits for free. Each generation consumes about 100 credits.
The video that I played is this one right here. I also made it using Flow, and this was my prompt right here. A Latina woman with black hair talking to a camera, and then I put in quotations exactly what I wanted the woman to say. And it's amazing what you can achieve with AI, but I hope that this has been helpful in terms of how to get started using VEO3. With the Flow website, you get about 1,000 credits, and with each generation, you consume about 100 credits, so you can make about 10 short videos. I will make a different tutorial on how to make more complex videos and also how to make your characters look more realistic, because with AI you sort of get either characters that are not consistent when you change camera angles, or you get a character where the skin texture looks very AI.